Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're thrilled to have you join us. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders specializes in crafting exceptional residential and commercial spaces throughout Southern California. From sleek modern kitchens to luxurious spa-like bathrooms, we bring design visions to life with expertise and passion. We're based in Los Angeles and Orange counties, and we're dedicated to sharing our knowledge to empower you to make informed decisions about your home. Today, we're tackling a topic that's central to the design and functionality of kitchens and bathrooms: countertops. Choosing the right countertop material can be a daunting task, given the sheer number of options available, each with its own unique set of characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the world of countertop materials, exploring the pros and cons of everything from classic granite and luxurious marble to modern quartz, sustainable recycled glass, and even unconventional options like paperstone and concrete. In this ultimate countertop guide, we'll provide you with the information you need to make the right choice for your lifestyle, budget, and design aesthetic. We'll discuss durability, maintenance requirements, stain resistance, heat resistance, cost, and style considerations for each material, offering practical advice and insider tips to help you navigate the selection process with confidence. Whether you're renovating your kitchen, upgrading your bathroom, or designing a new space from scratch, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to choose the perfect countertop material for your needs. We are covering quartz, porcelain, granite, marble, Corian, laminate, butcher blocks, wood, soapstone, concrete, tile, stainless steel, recycled glass, limestone, paperstone, onyx, and slate. Before we plunge into the details, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to selecting the perfect countertop material, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to continue bringing you valuable content that empowers you to create the home of your dreams. Why is choosing the right countertop material so important? Countertops are not just functional surfaces, they're a central design element that can significantly impact the overall look and feel of a kitchen or bathroom. They're also a major investment, so it's important to choose a material that is durable, long-lasting, and meets your specific needs and preferences. Here are some of the key factors to consider when selecting a countertop material. Durability. How well the material resists scratches, stains, chips, and heat. Maintenance. The level of upkeep required, including sealing, cleaning, and stain removal. Stain resistance. How well the material resists staining from common household spills. Heat resistance. How well the material withstands heat from hot pots and pans. Cost. The overall cost of the material, including fabrication and installation. Style. The aesthetic appearance of the material and how well it complements your design vision. Environmental impact. The sustainability of the material and its production process. Quartz countertops have become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They're an engineered stone product made from crushed quartz and resin, offering a winning combination of durability, low maintenance, and stylish aesthetics. Pros: highly durable, stain-resistant, heat-resistant, low maintenance, no sealing required, available in a wide range of colors and patterns, consistent color and pattern throughout. Cons: can be more expensive than some other options, not as heat-resistant as some natural stones can show seams. Popularity: extremely popular, especially in modern and contemporary kitchens. Cost typically ranges from $50 to $150 per square foot, installed. Southern California appeal. The clean lines and modern aesthetic of quartz fit well with the contemporary design trends in Southern California homes. The low maintenance aspect is also a major selling point for busy homeowners. Porcelain countertops are a relatively new option gaining popularity. They are made from a dense ceramic material fired at high temperatures, resulting in a non-porous, incredibly durable surface. Pros: extremely durable, heat-resistant, stain-resistant, scratch-resistant, UV-resistant, suitable for outdoor use, available in large format slabs with minimal seams, can mimic the look of natural stone, concrete, or wood. Cons: can be expensive, requires specialized fabrication and installation. Edges can be prone to chipping, limited edge profiles. Popularity: growing in popularity, especially for modern and minimalist designs. Cost typically ranges from $60 to $160 per square foot, installed. Southern California appeal. The durability and weather resistance of porcelain make it a great option for outdoor kitchens and entertaining areas, a popular feature in Southern California homes. Granite is a classic choice for countertops, prized for its natural beauty, durability, and unique veining patterns. It's a natural stone quarried from the earth, making each slab one of a kind. Pros include its durability, heat resistance, scratch resistance, unique natural patterns, and the added value it brings to your home. On the downside, granite requires sealing to prevent staining, can be porous, might be expensive, and offers limited color options compared to engineered stones. Despite these cons, granite remains a popular choice, especially for traditional and transitional kitchens. Cost-wise, it typically ranges from $40 to $200 per square foot, installed, depending on the grade and rarity of the stone. In Southern California, granite's natural beauty and durability make it a timeless choice, particularly for homes with a more traditional or rustic aesthetic. Marble is a luxurious and elegant choice for countertops, known for its sophisticated veining and timeless appeal. It's a natural stone that has been used for centuries in architecture and design. Pros include its beautiful and elegant appearance, the value it adds to your home, and its naturally cool surface, which is good for baking. However, marble is soft and porous, scratches and stains easily, requires regular sealing, and can be quite expensive. Marble is often used in high-end kitchens and bathrooms, though it does require careful maintenance. The cost typically ranges from $75 to $250 per square foot, installed, depending on the type and grade of marble. In Southern California, marble's luxurious aesthetic is well suited to high-end homes, but its high-maintenance nature requires a commitment to care and cleaning. Corian is a solid surface material made from acrylic polymers and minerals. It's known for its seamless appearance, versatility, and ability to be molded into various shapes. The pros of Corian include its seamless appearance, non-porous nature, stain resistance, ease of repair, ability to be molded into custom shapes, and availability in a wide range of colors and patterns. However, it can be scratched and dented easily, isn't as heat resistant as other materials, and can look a bit dated. While less popular than it once was, Corian is still used in some applications. The cost typically ranges from $40 to $100 per square foot installed. In Southern California, Corian's versatility and seamless appearance make it suitable for various design styles, though its lower durability compared to other options may be a drawback for some homeowners. Laminate countertops are a budget-friendly option made from layers of plastic laminate bonded to a particle board core. They are affordable and available in a wide range of colors and patterns, making them easy to install. However, they are not very durable, scratch and stain easily, are not heat resistant, and seams can be visible. Despite these drawbacks, laminate countertops remain a popular choice for rental properties or starter homes due to their cost-effectiveness. Typically, they range from $10 to $50 per square foot, installed. While laminate countertops offer an affordable option, their lower durability and less luxurious aesthetic may not be the best fit for high-end homes in Southern California. Butcher block or wood countertops add warmth and natural beauty to a kitchen. They're typically made from strips of hardwood glued together to create a solid surface. These countertops provide a warm and inviting aesthetic, are durable if properly maintained, can be sanded and refinished, and add character to a kitchen. On the downside, they require regular sealing to prevent water damage and staining, can be scratched and dented, are not heat resistant, and can harbor bacteria if not properly cleaned. Gaining popularity, especially for kitchen islands and accent countertops, butcher block countertops typically range from $50 to $200 per square foot, installed, depending on the type of wood and the thickness of the countertop. They are well suited to California's casual and nature-inspired design aesthetic, adding a touch of warmth and rustic charm to kitchens. Soapstone is a natural stone known for its soft, smooth texture and its ability to darken and develop a patina over time. It is heat-resistant, stain-resistant because it is non-porous, develops a unique patina over time, and is naturally antibacterial. However, it is soft and scratches easily, has limited color options, requires regular oiling and can be expensive. Soapstone is a niche choice for those who appreciate its unique aesthetic and natural properties. Typically it ranges from $70 to $150 per square foot, installed. Soapstone's natural beauty and unique patina can be a good fit for homes with a rustic or farmhouse aesthetic, but its softness and tendency to scratch may not be ideal for all homeowners. Concrete countertops offer an industrial chic aesthetic and can be custom-made to any size and shape. Pros include being unique and customizable, durable, heat-resistant, and they can be stained and textured. However, there are cons. They are porous and require sealing, can crack, can be expensive, and are heavy, requiring structural support. Popularity-wise, they are a niche choice for those seeking an industrial or modern aesthetic. The cost typically ranges from $75 to $200 per square foot installed. In Southern California, concrete countertops can complement the modern and minimalist design styles popular in the region. However, their potential for cracking and staining requires careful consideration and maintenance. Tile countertops offer a versatile and affordable option for adding color and pattern to a kitchen or bathroom. Pros are that they are affordable, available in a wide range of colors, patterns and styles, durable and heat-resistant. On the downside, grout can be difficult to clean and maintain, can be uneven, and they are not as seamless as other options. They are less popular than other options, but can be a good choice for budget-conscious homeowners. The cost typically ranges from $15 to $75 per square foot installed, depending on the type of tile and the complexity of the installation. In Southern California, tile countertops can complement the vibrant and eclectic design styles found in some homes, but the maintenance requirements of grout may be a deterrent for some. Stainless steel countertops offer a sleek, modern, and hygienic surface that is commonly found in commercial kitchens. Pros include being heat-resistant, stain-resistant, easy to clean, hygienic, and durable. Cons, however, are that they scratch easily, can be noisy, can look cold and sterile, and show fingerprints. They are primarily used in commercial kitchens, but are gaining popularity in some modern residential designs. The cost typically ranges from $70 to $200 per square foot installed. In Southern California, stainless steel countertops can complement the modern and minimalist design styles found in some homes, but their industrial aesthetic may not appeal to all homeowners. Recycled glass countertops are an eco-friendly option made from crushed recycled glass embedded in a concrete or resin matrix. The pros? They are eco-friendly, unique and colorful, durable and stain-resistant. However, they can be expensive, might have variations in color and texture, and may not be as heat-resistant as other options. Their popularity is growing as homeowners become more environmentally conscious. The cost typically ranges from $75 to $175 per square foot installed. In Southern California, recycled glass countertops align with the region's commitment to sustainability and offer a unique and colorful aesthetic that can complement a variety of design styles. Limestone is a natural stone known for its soft, earthy tones and its porous texture. The pros include its natural beauty, soft and earthy tones, the ability to be carved and shaped, and it is relatively affordable. On the downside, it is porous and stains easily, scratches easily, requires regular sealing, and is not heat-resistant. Limestone is less popular than other stone options due to its high-maintenance nature. The cost typically ranges from $50 to $100 per square foot installed. In Southern California, limestone's natural beauty can complement the earthy and organic design styles found in some homes, but its high-maintenance nature makes it a less practical choice for many homeowners. Paperstone is a unique and eco-friendly material made from recycled paper fibers and petroleum-free resin. Pros: eco-friendly, durable, stain-resistant, heat-resistant, warm to the touch, unique and modern aesthetic. Cons: limited color options, can scratch, requires regular sealing, can be expensive. Popularity: a niche choice for environmentally conscious homeowners seeking a unique and sustainable countertop option. Cost typically ranges from $60 to $120 per square foot installed. Southern California appeal. Paperstone aligns with Southern California's commitment to sustainability and offers a unique and modern aesthetic that can complement a variety of design styles. Onyx is a translucent natural stone known for its dramatic veining and vibrant colors. It's often backlit to enhance its beauty and create a stunning visual effect. Pros: beautiful and dramatic, translucent when backlit, adds a touch of luxury. Cons: soft and porous, scratches and stains easily, requires regular sealing, very expensive. Popularity: primarily used for accent countertops and decorative applications. Cost: typically ranges from $200 to $500 per square foot installed. Southern California appeal. Onyx's luxurious aesthetic can be a good fit for high-end homes in Southern California, but its high cost and high-maintenance nature make it a less practical choice for everyday use. Slate is a fine-grained metamorphic rock known for its dark gray color and its naturally cleft surface. Pros: durable, heat-resistant, stain-resistant if sealed, unique natural texture, adds a rustic or contemporary touch. Cons: can be brittle, prone to chipping along the edges, limited color options, requires regular sealing. Popularity: a niche choice for those seeking a rustic or contemporary aesthetic. Cost: typically ranges from $50 to $150 per square foot installed. Southern California appeal. Slate's natural texture and dark gray color can complement the modern and rustic design styles found in some Southern California homes, but its potential for chipping requires careful handling and installation. Choosing the right countertop material for your Southern California home involves considering a variety of factors, including your lifestyle, budget, design aesthetic, and the specific demands of the coastal environment. Coastal considerations. If your home is located near the coast, prioritize materials that are durable and resistant to salt, air, wind, and sand. Lifestyle considerations. If you have a busy family and don't have time for high-maintenance materials, opt for durable and low-maintenance options like quartz or porcelain. Budget considerations. Set a realistic budget for your countertops and explore options within your price range. Design considerations. Choose a countertop material that complements your overall design aesthetic and enhances the beauty of your home. Selecting the perfect countertop material is a crucial step in creating a kitchen or bathroom that is both beautiful and functional. By understanding the pros and cons of each option, you can make an informed decision that meets your specific needs and preferences. At Oceanfront Builders, we have extensive experience working with a wide range of countertop materials throughout Southern California, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. We're here to guide you through the selection process and help you create a space that you'll love for years to come. Contact us today at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com to schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable home improvement tips and design inspiration. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and happy countertop shopping.